My dear children, in this module, I am going to refresh your memory. That is, we had already studied about a structured query language. MySQL is a platform for executing query languages. We need to study in depth about structured query language, that is SQL. Dear children, please refresh your memory with these followings. SQL, its features, data types, processing capabilities, DDL, DML, and joins. What is SQL? It is structured query language. It is a language that enables you to create and operate on relational databases. It is the standard language used by almost all the database software vendors. It is pronounced as SQL. The original version was developed by IBM. Latest ISO standard of SQL was released in 2008 and named as SQL 2008. But nowadays we are having the standard version as SQL 2010 also. SQL features. It allows us to create, modify a database structure. That means we can create a database, we can modify the structure of it. It is also used for changing security settings for a system. Here system means for a database management system. It permitting users for working on databases or tables within a databases. It supports querying. That means we can insert, modify, delete the database contents. These are the 4 elements of MySQL: literals, databases, nulls, and comments. It is not command, it is comments. While we are studying Python, we heard the term as literal. What is literal? Literals are values which can be used in SQL. That is, what are the values? What kind of values can be used in SQL? If you are studying an English language, what you will study first? Only the alphabets, right? Like that, if you are studying any programming language, you need to study what are all the values, what are all the things we can use within a language. So we can use alphabets from A to Z, the numbers from 0 to 9 including the decimal parts, alphanumerals, that is the combination of alphabets along with the numbers, and the symbols like plus, minus, into, divide, percentage, and underscore, semicolon, comma, a white space, and quotes along with brackets. The second elements are nothing but data types. Data types are the types of values used to specify a column. It may be a number, it may be a character or a string, it may be a date. While we are using int, we can use only the integers numbers without decimal parts. If we are giving decimal, we can also give decimal points, that is fractional parts of a number. If it is a character, again we are having 2 options, that is char and varchar. My dear children, you need to collect the memories of the classes which we are spent in our 11th class. Then null indicates a cell, doesn't have any value. A cell with no value is considered as null in SQL. Null is not equal to 0. 0 having its own value. My dear children, I am again stressing the statement null is not equal to 0. What are comments? The comments are non-executable instructions which is given into a compiler or in a program for understanding the programming. What kind of program it is, for what purpose we had written for. All these things we have to include in comments that are not executed by the compiler. It is only for the programmer's use or for the future references. I think, my dear children, in this module we had discussed what is an SQL and what is its features, what are the 4 elements. The 4 elements will be detailed in the next module, that is literal and data types, null and comments are detailed in another modules. Thank you.